Having trouble with the Troubleshooter on Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you 3 fixes to resolve a problem is preventing the Troubleshooter from starting error. Press Win+R to open the Run window. Type the command services.msc and press Enter to open the services window. Locate the cryptographic service in the list of services, which is arranged in alphabetical order. Double-click on the cryptographic service to open Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic. Now click on Start to start the service. If it's already running and you are unable to click the Start button, then click on Stop to stop the service once. Now click on Start again to start the service. Finally, click on Apply and OK. Search sysdm.cpl in the search box of Windows PC and then click on it. Now, go to the Advanced tab and then click on Environment Variables. In the list of user variables, select the folder path for temp and click on Edit. Make sure it is set to %user profile, %appdata locally temp. Now, try again after restarting the PC. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click on the command prompt icon and then on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC/Scano, press Enter, and restart the system. Type the command dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restore health, press Enter. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.